Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Facebook pixels to Shopify. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To do it, you have to head over to your Shopify dashboard. So after heading over to your dashboard, you have to search in the mini search bar apps x Facebook. Like here in the mini search bar, you can search apps x Facebook, and before that, you have to go to Facebook like this link https:/business.facebook.com/settings. Okay, you have to head over to this address and then go to your meta address. If you don't have a meta account set up yet, then you have to set it up quickly. So after setting up, follow the process I show you in this video to add pixels to your Shopify store. Okay, so after heading over to your meta store like meta id, you can see this option called data sources. You have to tap onto data sources. From there you have to tap onto data assets. Okay, after tapping onto data assets, you can see this option called Shopify demo pixels. Like you have to create a demo pixel, like you can tap add and create one. And for this video, as I already have a pixel account, like I already have pixels, so I'm gonna show it with the demo one. Okay, so you have to create one, then tap onto this Shopify demo pixel. So after that, you head over to the Shopify dashboard, and from there you have to search for the Facebook app-X Facebook, this one, and you will find this option called Facebook and Instagram. Okay, from there you have to install this one. So after installing, as you can see, there's an option called connect account. You have to tap onto this green text and connect your Facebook account, or you can also connect your Instagram account. So make sure to connect the your business official account. Like don't use your personal accounts to do it. You should have a business account. Okay, so now after tapping on to connect, like choose the one. As example, I'm gonna choose this one, Shopify demo pixel. Tap onto it. So after tapping onto it, as you can see, my pixels are finalizing here, like finalizing channel setup. It takes a few minutes. Wait until then. Do not refresh the page. And as you can see that my Shopify demo pixel is already added. So if you want to change it, you can tap on the change and you can change from there. Okay, so head over to your meta business settings again, and here you can see this option called assign people. You can tap onto this assign people, and from there, after clicking onto Shopify demo pixels, like if you want, you can assign people. So now you have to tap onto this option called Shopify demo pixel, and from there you can see you have to scroll down and tap onto this option like choose a partner. You will see an option called choose a partner here, this one, choose a partner text. Then from there you have to choose the one you are using. As for this video we are using Shopify. Tap onto Shopify, then you have to copy this link like send traffic, tap onto it, and then as you can see that your pixel is now activated, and tap next and finalize the process. Okay, so that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.